I found videos with blank descriptions, not a couple of forgotten uploads, empty desk fields next to real traffic, and a few more that only have a sentence. That is the whole problem. That is what this tool flagged. Day 1 came back okay. Day 2, empty. Day 3, short. 2 videos need a description. Then Gemini wrote paste-ready rewrites for the flagged ones, and the CSV saved under the channel name with a timestamp. Most creators never notice until search and suggested traffic have nothing to work with. The title looks fine, the thumbnail looks fine, the description box is blank, or it is so short it might as well be blank. I got tired of hunting that by hand, so I made description-free video scanner. Free on CaseyBuildsIt.com. Welcome to Casey Builds It. This is not a local paste list. It uses the YouTube Data API. You paste a playlist or a channel. I am using it Casey Builds It. Optional title filter if you only want one series. Set how short counts as short. 80 characters is fine. Hit scan YouTube, give it a second. It pulls the videos, downloads every description, and grades them. Okay, empty, short, flagged count sits right there. The CSV exports automatically with channel name underscore timestamp so you can open it in a spreadsheet later. Descriptions, text file drops next to it. If you want Gemini to rewrite the flagged ones, leave rewrite flagged with Gemini on. Paste your Gemini key if it is not saved. The rewrite prompt box can stay empty for the default style, or you type your own instructions, tone, length, CTA, whatever you want. Hit rewrite, flag descriptions, watch the empty and short rows get paste-ready copy, copy report if you just need the summary. Export CSV again after rewrites if you want the rewrite column filled. Export rewrites if you only want the new description bodies. So what this ends up doing for me is simple. I stop guessing which videos on a channel, forgot the description, I get a dated CSV for the channel, and I get first draft copy I can paste and edit. This is a small Python desktop app. I built it in Cursor on CaseyBuildsIt.com. Grab it from files or free tools. Open it on your computer and run it, or take the prompt and change it in Cursor or whatever AI you use. If you want the next build, leave it in the comments. Thanks for watching. Fill the blank desk fields, keep the CSV, and I will see you on the next one.